Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the language in your Volvo V60. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, you'll want to access your car's main settings. Look for the settings icon, which usually appears in the top section of your center display. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen to quickly reveal these options. This is your starting point for customizing many vehicle features and getting started with your language change. Once you're in the main settings menu, the next crucial step is to find the system options. This category contains many of your car's core configurations and general preferences. Within the system menu, you'll then look for languages and input, or sometimes it's labeled as system languages and units. This is where all the language-related adjustments are housed, making it easy to find exactly what you need to proceed. Now that you've reached the language settings, you'll see a comprehensive list of all available languages. Take a moment to carefully scroll through these options until you find the specific one you prefer. Once you've located your desired language, simply tap on it to make your selection. Some languages may also have a voice recognition symbol next to them, indicating additional support for voice commands within the system. After selecting your new language, the system will process the change almost instantly. You'll notice that both your center display and the driver's display will update to reflect your chosen language. It's important to select a language you are completely comfortable with to ensure you can easily navigate through all your car's menus and settings. Enjoy your updated Volvo V60 interface with your preferred language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.